see. Hey everybody, I'm here today to build a wood barrel stove. I got the barrel and conversion kit for under $100, but what most people don't tell you on YouTube is that it's going to cost you more than $100. Unless you already have all the piping, it's going to be more expensive. But I'm going to be doing it today, and I don't have anything. It's a brand new build for the pole barn. So I'm going to go ahead and put one together, and it's going to be about, I think it came out to about $150 to $200 for everything, you know. So the barrel conversion kit, that was about $35. The cheapest place I actually found it wasn't Amazon, it's actually at Menards. I found a barrel off of Craigslist for $10, and then I bought a insert for the barrel so that the wood wouldn't sit on the bottom of the barrel and have better ventilation, so it burned cleaner. But where it got me was all the chimney pipe. So the chimney pipe, that was running about $6 for a 3-foot section, I think is what it was. 2 or 3 foot section, 4-inch. And I bought roughly 8 of those. And then I had to buy a vent cover. I didn't want the stack to get water in it, so a rain protector. And I bought something to go through my temporary wall. I'm gonna put the wood barrel stove close to that. I'm gonna just shoot right off the back, go up past the eave of the building, roughly about 2 feet, and then just go up with one piece. So it's gonna be a very small up, over, and back up, and that's it. I'm not going to the full ceiling of the pole barn because I don't know if that's where I want it yet, and I don't want to cut anything in the metal. So for right now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go straight out, go past the eaves of the building, and go up a little bit, so that it'll have enough airflow to push the smoke away from the building. Hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell notification. Alright, let's see what we got here. That didn't transfer over very well, but hopefully it won't be too big of an issue. Alright, got my gloves, got my hearing protection. Oh, and I got my safety glasses. Alright. Should have done that before I even tried to put the bottom feet on. Now I can just reach in. So this is what I got to hold the wood up. It was cheap, but it looks like it'll last. So good. I was a little worried it wasn't going to fit in. We got smoke coming out. Leaking out of the door a little bit, not bad.
What I'm trying to do here is burn out all the excess material that was inside the drum. I did the rinse on it, but I wanted to make sure I burnt any residual stuff left out of it before I attempted to install it. That'll be in the next video. Thank you for watching. May God bless you and your family, and we will see you next time.